I'm Samir. Welcome back to Samir Master Tech. I hope you and your family are safe. But guys, this time I came with a bang, and this time we bought it for you, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Yeah, आपने सही सुना, Samsung का Note Ultra 5G, which has launched last week in abroad, and in India this will going to start on sale from 26th of August. Pre-booking is going on and we also started pre-booking. बहुत अच्छी pre-booking हो रही है और आप लोगों को इसकी की फीचर्स मैं बता दूं. Galaxy Ultra, जी हाँ, Note 20 Ultra जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा है and it has got very good attractive features. Never before it has came with Gorilla Glass 5 Victus. Victus is a glass which resists and if it falls from 2 meters also it survive. ये वर्ल्ड का फर्स्ट ग्लास है जो सैमसंग ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है इन दिस नोट 20 अल्ट्रा सीरीज एंड इट्स कमिंग विद ए 6.9 Quad HD plus flat display with matte finish. First time with matte finish. Yeah, and camera is also awesome, which is 108 megapixel, has 50x zoom. It has got triple camera and accurate 108 megapixel. Like not like other brands give 108 megapixel but वो इतना clarity नहीं होता है. But Samsung stays always on their word and give the accurate, and this time they are coming with 108 special 108 megapixel camera. It has triple camera which is 108 megapixel main camera and 12 plus 12. Even front camera is 10 megapixel which is dual pixel camera जो कि clarity काफ़ी अच्छी आती है, not like other brand. And it's coming with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM and very attractive new color which is Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. Has got good battery, 4500. So without wasting my time and your time, I'll going to unbox this for you. Be ready to witness the world's best Note 20 Ultra by Samsung. Wow, see the color. It's very lightweight, काफ़ी lightweight है, and this time really they did well with color also. Let me switch on this. Wow, कितना प्यारा कलर है, देखिए. This is the first time I'm seeing the color in the mobiles. This is coming with Mystic Brown and Mystic Black. काफ़ी अच्छा attractive color है. Samsung is always best in color and quality compared with other brand. Let me show you the accessories. Yeah, this, see guys, this is super fast charging. Usually सब में fast charging आता है. This is super fast charging. It charge within 30 minutes. Whole battery. C-type cable, 1.5 meters. Strong cable. Yeah, this is my always favorite AKG by Harman. Type C, braided AKG earphone. AKG में आप अगर साउंड सुनोगे तो you won't like any other earphone. It's my experience. So guys, camera is awesome, but इसमें जो super advanced technology है, which is the S Pen, they have came with super advanced, we can't say advanced, super advanced we can say, जो कि S Pen है, जो कि earlier it was only can be used to operate gallery and take a selfie, but this time इन्होंने advanced किया. And see, when I removed this, इसने option दिया write on off screen. When you do this, you can directly write on the screen. Wow, it's giving me feel like I'm writing with a real pen on a paper. आप ये साउंड भी सुन सकते हैं जो कि स्लेट पे हम लिखते हैं आता है. And this you can save, share and you can keep as a reminder also. See guys, like हमको previous आना है, back आना है, you can use with this thing. This is back, this is next, previous. So ये action first time they have given with this super एडवांस S Pen। जी हाँ, नोट तो काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं, बट ओरिजिनल नोट इज़ फ्रॉम सैमसंग ओनली, विच दे गिव S Pen, which no one else have given, nor they can give. Guys, this time Samsung is coming with world first Gorilla Glass Victus 5। जी हाँ, you can see ये जो ग्लास है, this is glass matte finish, but it is Gorilla Glass Victus 5, which is very strong। अगर ये if it's fall from 6 feet it resist। जी हाँ, if it's fall from 6 feet it resist। This is the first time they have using, and no other brands have used। Even on this there is a Gorilla Glass 6। On the camera also they have used Gorilla Glass 6, so no need to worry of scratch and broken। Guys, even the camera is also awesome। They are coming with 108 megapixel camera, which is ultra pixel, has got 50x zoom, and the second two cameras are 12 megapixel, which are dual pixels। Even front camera is 10 megapixel dual pixel, which gives clear picture, natural picture। Even the battery is also strong। They are coming with 4500 mAh battery। It is water resistant, fully water resistant, and soft touch as usual। So guys, let's see the camera, which you and me both are eager to see। Wow, see, if you're zooming also it's not getting blur। आप zoom in कर दो, it's not getting blur। And now I'll show you one more this thing। See, there's a complete zoom and you can read clearly। See, this we can't see with the naked eye also, but with this आप clearly read कर रहे हो। This is the speciality of Samsung camera, natural clarity। So guys, like as usual, we always launch first at our store। आपको पता होगा previously Note 10, Galaxy Note 10 was launched at our store by South Asia head, Samsung South Asia head, Mr. Kim। So Mr. Kim visited at our store personally, and they have given handover the handsets to our lucky pre-booking customers। So this time also I expect him। Let's see, the phone is awesome। What you're waiting for? Come and have a look। So guys, come and feel the live experience of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra। They are coming with one more phone, Galaxy Note 20, which is also going to unbox by me within 1 or 2 days। This is the ultimate phone, which I am the first to unbox this in Hyderabad। So guys, I hope you like this video। So do like and subscribe our channel Sameer Master Tech। सॉरी, मैंने आपको ज़्यादा फीचर्स नहीं समझाया, वरना टेक्निकल गुरुजी वो यहाँ आ जाते, जो कि मैं नहीं चाहता। वी रेस्पेक्ट हिम। सो गाइस, टेक केयर, like my channel, take care, stay safe, stay at home, bye। Guys, even we are doing door delivery also, because आपकी सुरक्षा हमारी responsibility है। So if you want, we can deliver at your doorstep। There is a pre-booking is going on। You can pre-book, you can take my number, it's there on the board। You can pre-book and have a phone on the first day, which will be on 25th or 26th of August। So guys, take care, stay safe, and if you want to have an experience, come at our store and take a live experience। Thank you, bye bye, see you। Guys, Note 20 Ultra 5G, Indian official price 1,16,000 MRP, but Samsung is giving for 1,04,900 with special benefits of 19,000 rupees cashback and special benefits। Even they are coming with Note 20, which is costing 77,900। In that also they have special benefit of 13,000 HDFC cashback and other buyback scheme। So guys, what you're waiting for? Come have a live experience at our store and grab your phone as it launch। Thanks, see you, bye।